connection with the center, with the company. This one here, and the small one here.
So they come and they come and go.
We've also agreed on various areas where the county can partner with the U.S. in terms of facilitating mostly our farmers to either access markets or education and better produce produce such as BT cotton and diversifying to things like pyrethrum. So it's been a very good conversation with the ambassador, and we are very grateful.
The discussion today was around how can we succeed together? How can we grow things to deliver prosperity together? I'll give you a specific example, and that's 40 tons of BT cottonseed that arrived in the port yesterday that will be coming to be planted by the people of this county to bring about prosperity. It's and you know, I'm always saying we have to go from aid to trade. No longer should Kenya just be dependent upon aid from foreign countries. We believe, the United States believes, that Kenya is so important and is such a good friend that they should be self-reliant.